Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our fourth video in the I-29 series, and we're heading north, beginning as we leave the city of St. Joseph and enter Andrew County. Andrew County, organized in 1841, is one of the 6 counties in the Indian Platte Purchase Territory, annexed to Missouri in 1837. Named for Andrew Jackson Davis, a St. Louis editor, the county was first settled in the middle 1830s. Andrew County's glacial plains support fertile livestock, grain, and fruit farms. The 102 River, along with the Platte River, are located in the county. Its western border is formed by the Nottoway and Missouri rivers. In 1804, the Lewis and Clark expedition camped on an island at the mouth of the Nottoway River. Andrew County had an estimated population of 17,607 as of 2018. Exit 53 leads to the county seat of Savannah, and at the on-ramp ahead, U.S. Highway 59 will join us. A business route of U.S. 71 heads north up to Savannah here. The city was named after Savannah Woods, the child of a first settler, and a post office called Savannah has been in operation since 1841. Savannah had an estimated population of 5,223 as of 2019. At exit 56A, the concurrency with U.S. Highways 59 and 71 end. This is the final departure of U.S. 71 from the I-29 corridor. Exit 56B is the northern end of the I-229 bypass that serves the city of St. Joseph. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 65 leads to the small town of Fillmore via US 59 and State Highway RA. The town was named for the 13th U.S. President, Millard Fillmore, and had an estimated population of 188 as of 2019. US 59 once again pairs up with I-29 here. At the Nottoway River we enter Holt County. The county was originally called Nottoway County, but was soon renamed for David Rice Holt, a Missouri state legislator from Platte County. Holt County had an estimated population of 4,404 as of 2019. At exit 67, we lose the overlap with US 59 again, and this exit goes to Oregon. Not the state of Oregon, but the city of Oregon. The present name refers to the Oregon country, which was considered a prime destination of pioneer immigrants passing through the area in the mid-19th century. Oregon had an estimated population of 765 as of 2019. We conclude today's video at mile marker 74. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.